Hey guys, how you doing? Happy Sunday. Hope that you're having a good mellow Sunday. Maybe spend some time with the friends, the family, watch some football. That's my plan for the day, pretty much. So, I've got a warning for you and for your XRP. And this is something I've been talking to you a little bit about, but I just kind of wanted to put a fine point on this and make a very, basically a video that's just saying, hey, you've been warned. Okay. So, what have you been warned about? Well, look, I've been talking to you guys about the fact that September was most likely going to be kind of a volatile month, a little bit slow. It's actually done fairly well. We got XRP back up over $3, like $3.06 right now, from its low just recently of like 285 and change. And I said, look, September is going to be what I really kind of call an accumulation month, where because we've got kind of this volatility. Now, we do have the September 17th Federal Reserve meeting. I've been talking to you guys about that coming up. The video is not about that. And there could be some interest and excitement around that if we do get a bigger rate cut on that. But I'll talk about that later in the video. But we could see XRP go up even more. But here's what you've been warned about. You've been warned that this really is kind of one of your chances to get into XRP at these current prices. Because look, fourth quarter is going to be a bull run. The bears begrudgingly agree to that. The bulls know about it. They're all in. Liquidity is going to come back. Cash is going to come back. Institutions are already coming back, and institutions are going to come back even more in force. Retail is going to come back, all within the fourth quarter. So the part that you've been warned about is if you've been on the fence about buying more XRP or adding to your bag or whatever it may be, you've been warned. This is some of your last chance in the month of September. Something else that's happening is XRP is leaving exchanges. People are moving their XRP off of exchanges. Okay. Well, you're like, well, what does that mean, Austin? Is that a bad thing or a good thing? This is actually a good thing. People move when you start to see an asset like XRP move off of exchanges. What it basically is signaling, it is signaling that people are moving into a hold mentality. People across the globe move an asset like XRP. They move it from a decentralized wallet or a cold wallet storage or whatever it may be to an exchange, usually to sell it. So when the other side of that, when you start to see XRP moving off of all the major exchanges, it means that people are moving into a hold mentality. They're like, I see, and beyond that, what does that mean? They see that the asset, or they're betting or speculating or whatever stamp you want to put on it, that the asset, in this case XRP, is going to go up. Okay, and that's not my opinion. That's what's happening. Okay, and so I just wanted to make a real quick video for you guys on this calm, chill Sunday to say it's one of your last chances. I continue to buy every week. I'm about to buy even more XRP at these levels, and yes, I am. So I'm about to do that. All right. So I'm doing that this week, doing even more. And because I have this longer view of XRP buy and hold, and I think XRP is going to be one of the biggest, most profitable, most successful cryptos, period. Okay. And yes, I own Bitcoin and I own Ethereum and I own Cardano and I own Solana and I own all those too. But I really, 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 really believe in XRP. Okay. Because of everything we've talked about in a ton of videos. So with that, I just wanted to kind of make you aware of that. And just say, hey, have a good Sunday. Hope that you enjoyed the message. If you did, please like and subscribe. If you're watching this on X, please give me a follow. I'll see you. Go make some money later. Bye.